How to recover Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can recover your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here, if you have deactivated your account, to recover your account, first you'll need to simply log in into your account. For that, all you have to do is open up your account, type in the password for your account and log in. And after you do that, your account will just open up. That's the case for deactivation. Now, if you've forgotten your account and you want to recover it from there, so what you'll have to do is type in your email, and on your password section, you'll have to tap on forgotten password. Tap on forgotten password, and here you can simply choose to type in your mobile number or your email address. Type in either one. Let me just change this. Okay, so type in either one and type in your email address or then your phone number. So this is because you will be getting an email on your account. So let me just do this, go through with this. And if they recognize you, since you have your email address on this device, they'll automatically log you in. Else, they will send you a verification code from which you can log in and then change your password. And that's how you can recover your Facebook account. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.